So there are lots of happening in sport, and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
We could Akib talk what about you? God is
And
too
Tahir
kind.
bhai, we are looking Energy Tech Pakistan is looking like on the verge of winning the series.
Exactly, Akib, and it's a good sign that there has been a long time that we have won any good series, despite the fact of Australia. And after Akib, look, we were recently lose the series from Australia after winning the one-day series, followed by a loss in T20 series. So it was a golden chance for Pakistani team to revive their history and glamorous, and finally we are hoping that they will revive their glamour while wrapping up this series with
And
3-0.
Tahir bhai, what do you say? Probably another series win for Mohammad Rizwan, 2-2. Two ODI series. What a dream
What a
start
dream.
for his captain.
Yeah, Akib Rizwan is a daredevil captain. He loved to play his captaincy role by
And
coming
you
on
saw
the
his
front foot.
captaincy in Australia.
Yeah, and we see that he proven himself that he said, what's wrong if we have lost series? We are losing series right from the last 22 years. But it doesn't mean we can't win series again.
He had that, you would say, energy.
He showed his energy, class, temperament, and attitude. So these things makes a perfect captain. Have proven himself by wrapping up the series on a winning note against Australia and against the Zimbabwe. Hopefully, he will do the same.
Tahir bhai, what do you say about Saim Ayub? 2 wickets, runs. I think he's having a golden run in one-day cricket. This is the format which is suiting his
Suiting
cricket
him,
style.
I think PCB should again rethink over his policies against Saim, and I think they should give rest Saim in the Test series at least for a couple of years, so at least he could survive in the one day and make
T20.
more T20 and one day both. He's a player of T20 and one day both. I think
Test will
Test
take
is
some
a
time.
totally different. I think they should give him some more time to prove his self and improve his class in one day. No doubt he has already good class, but he need more time to prove himself. Otherwise, playing in the 3 format, his class will definitely be damaged, and he will be confused by it that he is not performing in any format very good.
I used to play football.
Okay.
Yes, football is very good game and everyone should play football. And it's like बहुत अच्छी गेम है और क्या कहते हैं इसमें काफ़ी फ़ायदे हैं फुटबॉल के यार आपकी इतनी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ती है और बाकी किसी गेम में इतनी आपको एक्सरसाइज करने को नहीं मिलता
Exactly.
आप फुटबॉल में आपका कैलोरीज बर्न होती हैं
और डेफिनेटली आपका एक मसल इसमें आके यूटिलाइज होता है.
FC में तो फैसिलिटीज भी देख रहे हैं बढ़िया.
बिल्कुल
Football के
ऐसे
लिए.
ही है. आप भी यहाँ पे खड़े हैं फुटबॉल के ही पिच पे आप ग्राउंड पे खड़े हुए हैं और इसमें आपकी ब्रीथिंग प्रैक्टिस बड़ी हैवी डेवलप हो जाती है.
नहीं तो आप फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं इधर FC की टीम के साथ.
मैं फुटबॉल का कैप्टन भी रह चुका हूँ अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी का और मैं नेशनल
माशाल्लाह.
भी खेला हूँ फुटबॉल.
बेहतरीन.
I was 14
वाह.
वाओ, impressive.
nationals खेला हूँ और it was like my burning desire to play professional football,
वाह.
but due to some issues I could not like pursue it.
और इसमें कहते हैं कि वो मॉनेटरी भी इश्यूज है सारे पाकिस्तान के अंदर स्पेशली.
हाँ, उस तरह क्रेज नहीं है इस तरह फुटबॉल
नहीं,
को जिस तरह वो.
पाकिस्तान में फुटबॉल का क्रेज मतलब क्रिकेट से मतलब मेरे ख्याल में मैं गिलगित से हूँ. मैं मतलब देखता हूँ बचपन से फुटबॉल खेलना है मतलब बहुत ज्यादा क्रेज है. बट
अच्छा.
हमारे पास
High level.
फैसिलिटीज नहीं है. हमारे पास इतनी फैसिलिटीज नहीं है. तो एक प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर को मतलब बहुत ख्याल रखना पड़ता है.
हाँ,
उसके
हाँ.
लिए बहुत फैसिलिटी चाहिए और बहुत
Definitely.
अपना ख्याल रखना पड़ता है.
And Tahir, what do you say Kamran Ghulam's century? He scored a century. Finally, his first one-day 100. And when he scores runs, he get the big runs. How do you see Tahir? You've also favored him that management should give players chance. For
Okay,
performing.
Kamran Ghulam is a good find by Pakistan, to be honest. But the thing is how well we could save this find in our catalog of
People think he's
players.
replacing Babar Sir.
No,
Babar
he is
Azam.
not replacing Babar, but he is substituting Babar. So look, Babar and this man's combination, how lethal this combination will be in middle order, like we used to have in Zmam and Yusuf and Yunus. What a
What a
combo that
golden-
was. So this combo I think is reviving again. We can do the combo duo of both these players.
And Tahir also Abdullah got a 50 half century, finally getting runs. How do you see Tahir? It's looked like we are finding an opening pair after a long time. Because
Yeah.
opening has been a big issue for Pakistan in limited over.
Akib
also.
opening and batting both have been a big issue for Pakistan as well. So I think Abdullah has shown some class. Even we can try Abdullah at opening pair as well. There is nothing wrong.
He's opening Tahir bhai, sorry.
Yeah, but we can make him permanent opening pair because
Because
otherwise,
Fakhar Zaman is outside. at the moment.
otherwise after the arrival of Fakhar, we can test the Fakhar in the 1 down or 2 down as well.
And Fakhar
So
is
some
hitter.
sort of experiment we have to keep on ongoing processes. So these players could be adjusted according to their series.
And lastly, before we close, Tahir bhai, we are talking about Fakhar Zaman. How do you see it? Because he's looking for a comeback in South Africa series with the settled opening combination. How will Fakhar Zaman make his place in their team now?
Okay,
Because he
Fakhar
was
Zaman
strong of
definitely
ODI.
will be very frustrated after this comeback, and I'm sure he will be eager to perform in this series because it is his comeback series. And
Tough series of South
tough
Africa.
series for him as well because he will be having a lot of pressure of performance as well. So I think Fakhar should be hold his nerve strong and should give his utmost best. So the selectors or anyone else who is against him could not have even a single chance to drop him again from the team.
Well, Tahir bhai, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to have you with another video. So I guess that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports Here for more content. Till then, it is goodbye from me and Tahir bhai. Say take good care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz. All Nasir.